A pet I was taking care of is being looked after by someone else now. That's all. Besides, I don't like long goodbyes. All right, young men, are you ready?
Yes!
Then fire!
Listen to me, Kareha. This dust is special.
Dr. Kareha! What are you doing?
Just shut up and walk.
Dr. Kareha! All the cannons have been fired!
Then light them up! Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is no ordinary red dust, Kareha. This dust is designed to attach itself to the white snowflakes as they come down from the sky. The white snow will then become a beautiful